Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Chala, 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 chala. Yeah, dark skin and sweet. Yeah, she make any man who get off fine feet. Beautiful like a petal. Skin tone rich like the green panel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale, and today we will be doing a review. So I was home just casually minding my business like I always do, and then my cousin Jade hit me up like, girl, Fenty just released this new skin tint, like you need to get on it like right now, like buy it tomorrow and give us a review. So that's exactly what I did, and I'm here with a review. So I went to Sephora and I got my little bag. This is it right here. It comes in the usual cute Fenty package, and this is this is 16. The lady at Sephora was trying to tell me I have an olive undertone. And I told her, ma'am, excuse me, I'm sorry, but I never heard that before in my life. Like, I feel like I have a yellow undertone and not an olive undertone. But, you know, I don't like to tell people how to do their job. But this is what it looks like. And as usual, with the packaging, Fenty has it, okay? Rihanna knows exactly what she is doing. She knows how to catch our eye, our attention. This is a skin tint. It is something like a tinted moisturizer. So you're not supposed to get full coverage with this. And I wanted to do a review because most of the girls I saw, they have, like, in my opinion, flawless skin. Like, if you look at my skin, you can see all of my skin tags, all of my freckles. Like this, my skin is not perfect. I have hyperpigmentation, my forehead and the middle of my face, 2 different shades. So I wanted to do this review for girls like me who might have my same undertone, who might have, you know, imperfections in their skin, who might have different beauty marks on their skin, that would like to know how well this will perform, you know, over that. But I do understand it's a light to medium coverage, and that is for the summer weather, you know what I mean? During summertime, you don't want to have a bunch of stuff on your face. So I think this is what she had in mind when she created this product. Now, it was a little bit trickier for me to shade match because I never wore any Fenty Complexion products, unfortunately. So I couldn't shade match based on, you know, the other products that she has. But like I said, my cousin and I, we have similar skin tones, and she said she got a 17. She said also that she uses a 385. So for people in that range, you might go with 17 or 18 because that's what she got, and she is in the Pro Filter. She wears a 385, so that's a shade reference for you guys. I wear MAC NC45, and I also wear Juvia's Place. Sometimes I can use 410, which is Nairobi, and I can also use Havana 420, which is what I prefer, Havana 420. If you're a MAC NC45 or a Havana 420 in Juvia's Place, then 16 might be for you if this shade matches me correctly. If not, you might want to go with 17 or maybe even 18. So yeah, she uses her fingers to apply the skin tint to her skin, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I am going to use a sponge. Or maybe I should start out with my finger, then go to a sponge. I don't know. We'll see. I am also going to do my face like I usually would with the blush. And I'm going to put, I don't know if I might do a little bit of highlighting. But I am also going, I might contour a bit just softly because I do want to kind of create that no makeup look that she was talking about. But I am going to use other products with it just to see how it operates. I am going to use my Mercier Badescu Rose Water. To moisturize, I am using Pond's Creamer S 24-hour moisturizer. If you guys hear my son in the background, he's just enjoying himself with his dad, okay? So I'm just going to put some of this on my face like I usually do. And low-key, I am excited for this product because sometimes I do want to put something on my face that is not as heavy as a full coverage foundation. Next, I am going to add my primers. I am adding my Milk Primer. I'm just going to take a little bit of that and put it all over my face. I also have this Poreless Putty Primer from e.l.f. that I'm going to use, and this should help eliminate my pores. I just got this, so it is fairly new to me. Just like the Milk primer is new to me as well, but I do like the consistency of it. If you see me looking down, that's where my mirror is. So yeah, we have our primers ready to go. And let's have the moment of truth. I think I'm gonna follow Rihanna. I think I changed my mind and I'm going to use my fingers to do this. You saw that? It just flew on my clothes. So I can tell already that this is a very watery consistency. So I'm going to just put that on my forehead. I have my Neutrogena wipes just in case I need it because this might get messy. And I'm just going to use my hands like Rihanna said. It's her product. She created it. She knows what she's talking about. And as you can tell, this time I did not color correct or anything because I wanted to see how this would work.
Beautiful like a petal, skin tone rich like the green on a leaf, keep black on a level, skin so nice, yeah, you don't have to bleach, you deserve a medal, yeah, need no sunscreen when you're there.
So this is what one layer looks like. You can see all my skin tags still peeping through. You know, you can see all of my dark spot, all my dark on the eye. So I think I am going to use some of that concealer to brighten the darkness under my eye. But I am going to use a little bit more just to see what it looks like. But I do really like this, the tip right here. It makes it really easy to apply to the skin. So I like that. I wish I wish they would start making foundations like that. It feels smooth. And it is lightweight. Let me know what you guys think about the shade match. I feel like, I don't know why, I feel like a little bit muddy is what I want to say. Like, I feel like it looks a little bit muddy. I don't know why that's a word I'm gravitating towards. But you can see that I have something on. You can see, like I said, my skin tags and my freckles peeking through. But let's go ahead and finish up my routine the way I normally would. So I'm going to be using my Tarte Shapetape in Tan Sand. I'm not going too heavy. I'm just putting a few dots. And when I say muddy, I just mean like it was kind of like brownish gray to me, but I don't know. It could just be in my head. And this review is not sponsored. Like, this is honestly my opinion of the product. Like I said, I never had any Fenty Beauty complexion products before. Okay, so I don't know. How is it coming out? I don't know. I feel like I'm lacking color. Let me go ahead and set my under eyes like I always do. And I'm using my Mercier setting powder. And I am going to use my damp sponge again. And I really love this setting powder. Like, I also heard that Rihanna had setting powder, and I had no idea that she had setting powder. And I heard it is just as good as this one, or even it could be even better. I'm going to use my MAC Dark Mineralize Skinfinish, and I'm just going to pat that all over. I feel like this will give me some of my color back that I lost. And I hope it doesn't appear that I am using a lot of powder, because I'm not, but I do want to make sure I cover my entire face with powder, just because I wouldn't want to get oily, and I do want this to last. And I would normally do my face like this, so that's why I am adding this. Like I said, you can still see the skin tags. You can still see my freckles. Yeah, so I'm just going to do some blush, maybe a light contour, and that's a wrap. I will be using the Fenty Beauty mascara on my bottom lashes. And I think I want my bottom lashes to show a little bit more. So I'm also going to use the falsies, because whenever you use two mascaras, like, it just does wonders. And I love this falsie mascara as well. And unfortunately, you guys, I won't be able to do a wear test because it's 10 p.m. at night and I'm not going anywhere. Even if it's Saturday night, like, I'm just in with my family. So after I do a wear test, I will kind of come on my Instagram, maybe post a story or something to let you guys know how this, you know, wore over time. And I'm just going to use my Zoomer Colourpop. Okay, so I lightly put the Zoomer on, and I am just going to spray my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray all over my face. Then I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting, and that will be that. So let's go. Let me just zhuzh this up just a tiny bit, and then I will be right back. But so far, before I even do that, like, for me, this is, like she said, catering to people who don't want a full coverage foundation. Like, they just want a little tint. She put the word tint there intentionally, so this product might not be for everybody. Like, if you want to go full glam, then go full glam. Like, if you have a Zoom call and you know, you have this in your purse, you reach for this, put it all over your face, it will look like your skin just like more even out. So I think that's what it is. But honestly, like, I am not mad at it, truth be told. I don't know how frequently I'll be reaching for this, only because I like full coverage, because like I said, I have a lot going on with my skin tags and everything like that. But if you don't mind, or you like your freckles to show and be out there, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It depends on where I'm going or what I'm you know what look I'm trying to achieve. Then I might reach for different things. But it low-key, you know, the MAC NC45 foundation is buildable coverage as well. So if you ever own that, probably you could compare the two. But yes, I don't think, it doesn't matter how many coats you put on, I don't think it would cover these skin tags right here. And I don't know if I have a foundation that truly covers all of it. So yes, let me juice this up and I'll be right back. So you guys, this is how the look came out. I had so much fun doing this review. It's my first time using Fenty Complexion. So if you guys liked it, then please leave a like, comment down below, and share this video with your friends, and join the Enesscee family if you want to be a part of this family. And yeah, I would love to hear from you guys. Let me know if you have it, if you're going to buy it, and what you think about the price range. It is $29.50 like I said, but yes, I also told you guys I don't know how often I will be reaching for this product, but I like having it in my collection. So yes, this is what it looks like, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Da, da, da.